Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Logitech Ultimate Ears UE Drops wireless earbuds and you need to do a hard reset or a force restart on them. Now this is not a factory reset, it's not going to clear out the pairing history or anything like that. You're just forcing it to power cycle to clear out any errors you're having in case it's not connecting to your Bluetooth or keeps disconnecting and things like that. If you do need to do a factory reset, if this doesn't fix your issue, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to the factory reset instructions as well. But anyways, all you need to do if you're going to do this hard reset is take both earbuds out of the case and then long press the face button on both of them at the same time for at least 13 seconds. After those 13 seconds are up, you can go ahead and put these back in the case, close the lid, open the lid, and then take them out. And hopefully that will have cleared out the issue. And like I said, if it doesn't, then you can move on to a factory reset. Thanks a lot for watching.